Hello, I'm Tom Scripps here with the Superior Defense Mask, and I'm going to show you how to use the mask and make adjustments. Now, starting off, before you touch this mask and any mask, you would want to wash your hands either with soap and water or a hand sanitizer, because you don't want to be contaminating the mask or your face with whatever's on your hands. So the next step that we were going to do is see how to put the mask on and make adjustments. Now, the mask just opens up and goes right over your ears. This is a quick, simple way to use the mask. That's if somebody comes to your desk or comes near you and you need to quickly put a mask on to protect yourself. Now, this is not a dust mask, it's not a breathing mask, so it's just paper and really just meant to stop moisture and droplets, liquid droplets from contacting your face. So if you are sneezing or coughing, you're going to protect others, and you're going to protect yourself by not letting that liquid travel across the room, right? Also, if you have a mask on or a shield over your face, you're not going to touch your face. So that's the purpose of this. So at the same time, we don't want to be touching the inside of this mask down where your face is. So before we get started, again, my hands are clean. The adjustability comes from a couple of lines here. These lines on the mask allow you should fold on the top line. It allows you to make it so it fits a smaller size face and fit a little more snugly. So when I've folded those lines, again, the top one I fold down, and then I fold the next one like an accordion. And when I'm done, it looks like a little Z shape. I'm going to do to the other side as well. So I'm going to fold that over, and I'm going to fold it back with the other line. And when I'm done, both sides should have this little Z shape. So what this will do is it allows it to fit somebody's face and then adjust for our different sizes, right? So for a smaller face, this would be a great fit. This is the smallest size, so it's the closest from the nose to the ear. And then these little tabs that you see on the ear, they would stay intact. For a larger size head, this will stretch out naturally. And for a head like mine, which is a little bit larger, you can fold these little tabs back on the ears for a better fit. Okay? So I take that, and I can also put that on my face. Now, this is not going to hold on my face very well if I'm walking around and moving. So if I'm going to be moving, if I'm going to go to a grocery store or out and about, then there's another set of adjustments. So just grab the nose and the chin, open the mask up slightly, and bend the nose down, okay? So you'll see here, when you do that, there's these little lines, these little arc-shaped lines that create a contour. You can do the same on the bottom. What I'll do is I'll push these together, and you can see it creates the same shape. And if you need to adjust these, again, with clean hands, you can adjust these along the line, okay? So when I'm done, the mask would look like this, and a good fit. This fits over my ears. The sides are accordion, the nose is down, and I'm wearing glasses, so my eyes are protected as well. And I can walk around. I can go outside, and again, this, even though it's a single use, you can use it, throughout the day. And when you're sitting at your desk, I would recommend you just taking it off. But if you touch it, if you contact it with contaminated hands, definitely throw it away. So that's the purpose of this. We think this is great for drivers, or if you're just going to the grocery store. The goal of this is not for medical use. Maybe if you're going into a doctor's office, you don't want to use the mask that the doctors need to be using. But if you go into a doctor's office, then you should have a mask on yourself. Our goal with this is just to protect protect you and others, and provide some kind of a barrier. So be safe out there. Thank you.